Hi, Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and it's a Stomp It Out video to the dance Pieces to the Puzzle. Now, it's a simple 32 count, 4-wall dance. If you haven't learned it, that's okay. Just click on that link in the upper right corner. It will take you straight to the tutorial. Now, if you've never heard of this dance, it's probably because it's done to the song that we dance it to, which is called, hold on, director, we're not bleeping this one this time. It's called Damn I Love Miami. All right, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe down below. You'll get alerts to all the latest and greatest when we release the next one. Otherwise, let's have some fun and get it done, guys.
What happens in Miami? Never happened. What happens in Miami? I'ma hit this hotel. There's a party in that lobby, but be careful who you mess with, cause the hotel everybody. Miami where all that ass from, and your girlfriend's got one too. Now it ain't my birthday, baby, but I wanna see you in her in your birthday suits. I was like, hey, she was like, yo. I was like, bowling, she was like, so. Wanna hit BTs, wanna hit Scarlets, wanna hit Tootsies, baby, let's go. She was more like I'm talking about a killer. I put her on the mic, beat it up like Thriller. She the best friend, said bring one more, another bad one. You already know for sure. Damn, I love Miami. These girls speak my language. Russian roulette, sexy. Body speaking Spanish. Damn, I love Miami. Damn, Miami loves me. Damn, I love Miami. Trust me. I got big decisions. I got 2 brunettes and a blonde one on the yacht, getting butt booty naked. Nah, that's Miami problem. They titties look just like Baywatch, but they ass from the 305. You can do a lot on Deco Drive, or you can do a lot on my Deco now. She said, hey, I said, dímelo. She was too hot, I couldn't say no. So I closed the tab, jumped straight in the car when I'm straight, got ocho, yeah, straight to the mo. She was like a rico when I was all in her. And if you go to Kendall, they all Kendall Jenners. Now you out of towners know what time it is. 305, welcome to the crib.